our channel. I'm Iram.
And I'm Asad.
Today we're unboxing this Lego City Police high-speed chase. So in this, there is a helicopter, there is a police car, and there is the robber's car. And includes 4 figurines, and one of them is an exclusive figurine. Now this is recommended for the ages 5 to 12.
Let's unbox.
Okay, so this is the back side of the box. So these are the Lego pieces in the pack, and we have the first pack over here. That's the second pack. This is the third, and this one is the fourth pack. And it comes with 3 instruction manuals over here. So this is for the helicopter, and this is for the robber's car, and this one is for the police car. And it comes with some stickers. So for now, we'll be making this police car over here. So we'll need pack 1, the instruction manual, and the stickers for this. So let's keep everything else aside.
Okay, let's open the pack.
So we're gonna get the pieces out. Oh, there's another pack that we have to open. Let's get opening with this one too. There we go. So we have all the packs open, and we will start building.
Let's build the police officer first.
So for this, we will need the face, we will need the hat, and then we'll need the body and the legs right over here. And we made the police officer. We will start making the car.
Let's do this. That's a second. Done. Just kidding.
So we finished building, and here is the police car, here is the police officer, and here is the barricade. Oh no! Okay. But why would a police officer knock down the barrier? Okay. How is the car moving? Okay.
Why is the road blocked?
Is there some other way over here? Because this looks like the only road to me.
Maybe I can just trip it. Problem solved.
That's not really something a police officer would do though. I think he forgot his hat outside. Okay. Why is he drifting so much? Why is he flying? We had lots of fun playing
and building
these Lego toys. So we have the helicopter and the robber's car, which we will continue in the following videos. Thanks for watching our video. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel
and turn on the notification bell
to stay updated with our videos. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye!